Welcome back, everyone. So this question said, what volume of carbon dioxide is produced at STP when 3.8 gram of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 reacts with Essex acid according to the following equation? So the equation has CaCO3 reacting with 2HCl to give CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. So we have calcium carbonate reacting with two atoms of hydrochloric acid to produce calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. All right, so let's observe what we are given first. Now they say that the atomic mass of calcium is 40, that of carbon is 12, that of oxygen is 16. And then the molar volume of gas at STP is equals to 22.4 dm cube. And this question is from SSCE, right? Popularly known as WAEC, or Senior School Certificate Examination. The first thing to do is to bring out the equation and check if it is balanced. So we have CaCO3 plus 2HCl, right? So we have CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2, right? So looking at this now, we know that we have one atom of calcium here, and we have one here. We have one carbon here, and we have one carbon here. We have hydrogen, two atoms here. We have two here. We have three oxygen here. At the product side, we also have three. That means this equation is balanced, right? So it's a balanced equation. So if that's that, now they are asking us what volume of carbon dioxide. So we are dealing with this now. Is produced at STP when 3.8 grams of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 reacts with Essex acid. That means this 3.8 grams now is for calcium trioxocarbonate 4, which is this, right? So we have 3.5 grams of this react with this hydrochloric acid to form this. But we know that we can find the relative atomic mass of this. So here we have one atom of carbon and calcium. So calcium is what? One atom here. Carbon is one atom here. Oxygen is three atoms, right? So if you want to relate it now, this is what? 40 plus 12, and this is 3 times 16. So we are going to be having 40 plus 12 plus 48, right? So if we add this, you're going to have 0, and this gives you what? 100. So we have 100 grams. So it means we're going to be having 100 grams, right, of calcium carbonate, calcium trioxocarbonate. Okay, so we have 100 grams. Now, this is the relationship. It means that 100 grams of calcium carbonate can produce 22.4 dm cube of this carbon dioxide gas. So we have 22.4 dm cube, right, of this carbon dioxide. Is that okay? If this is clear, then let's find the volume that only 3.8 grams, sorry, this is 8, not 5. The 3.8 grams can produce. Now, you recall what we used to do, that it leads us to cross multiplication. So we have 100 grams is equals to 22.4 dm cube. and then 3.8 grams will be equals to what? X, right? So this is the mass we are looking for. Now, if you are able to make this kind of arrangement, then the next thing to do is to cross multiply, and whatever you have will be the mass you're looking for. So let's cross multiply this now. So we have this way. So x will multiply 100. So we have 100x. And 3.8 will multiply 22.4. So we have 3.8. This mass, there is gram here, there is gram here. Then times 22.4 dm what? Cube. Okay, if that is settled, we are looking for x, not 100 gram and x. So we divide both sides by 100 grams. 3.8 grams divided by 100 grams times 22.4 dm cube, right? Okay, so these 100 grams will cancel these 100 grams. You are left with x. So let's divide this now. This divide by, so wait, let's do the multiplication first. Let's finish with the numerators. So we have 3.8 times 22.4, right? So we have 85.12 dm cube, because this gram will cancel this gram. So divided by what? 100. So your x will be equals to, when we divide this by 100, we're going to be having the value 0.8512 dm cube, sorry. Okay, so the volume, what they are asking us now, that we should do what? We should calculate the volume of carbon 4 oxide. So the volume of carbon 4 oxide that will be produced now, the volume of carbon 4 oxide that will be produced at STP when 3.8 grams of calcium triazocarbonate reacts with excess acid according to the following equation, and the acid is hydrochloric acid. We're going to be having what? 0.85 dm cube approximately. So that will be your final answer for this calculation. I hope you enjoyed the working. If you have any concern, you can ask. If you have any confusion, you can check other videos, or you drop your comment in the section responsible for that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.